How to make your phone battery last longer, 2025 tips. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your phone battery last longer with some smart and updated tips for 2025. These will help you stretch your battery through the day. So let's get into it. First, turn on battery saver or low power mode. It's one of the easiest ways to reduce background processes and extend battery life when you're low on charge or just want to make it last longer. Next, lower your screen brightness or enable auto brightness. The display is one of the biggest power users on your phone, so keeping it dim when you don't need full brightness really helps. Another quick fix is to disable location services for apps that don't need them. Go into your settings and check which apps are constantly using GPS in the background. You'll be surprised how many are draining your battery without you realizing it. Dark mode is also your friend. If your phone has an OLED screen, switching to dark mode can save a noticeable amount of power, especially during nighttime use. Don't forget to close out of apps you're not actively using. Too many apps running in the background can quietly eat away at your battery. And that's it, some simple but effective ways to make your phone battery last longer in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips. That's all for the video.